So appearance wise, the only thing I noticed different is the bell is a little bit bigger and the spokes are a little bit bigger. And besides that, on appearance wise, I haven't noticed anything else. It looks a little bit cleaner on the newer one as far as the milling goes, the CNC. So the design of it is a little bit better as far as it looking clean and crisp. As far as the wiring goes, it also looks like the wiring is a little bit cleaner and crisp than the older ones. So they're more nice and neat. So let's take off with this one. And it's got a lot of punch. So it's feeling pretty nice and smooth. And really a lot of power. Yeah, I feel locked in doing these tricks. It feels really nice. And I've put this motor through its paces quite a bit. We've crashed them a few times. But yeah, this feels really nice. And a lot of punch. I would put this motor into the freestyle category. Because you feel really locked in when you're doing freestyle with this motor. So I got a top speed of 119, and that's just for a, you're not going to be getting 119 the whole time. That's just an acceleration to top speed. So it's just a brief second. But as far as punch and top speed, I think this motor is really good in punch and top speed and very responsive. So we've crashed this one quite a bit, and I did have a motor burn up on me, but I've done the concrete, put it through its paces, and I'm pretty sure I damaged that motor pretty bad doing it myself. And we're talking like probably 7 crashes, and I would say 3 of those were really hard. So I kind of expected this to happen. But overall, I think this is a great motor, and we'll put the chart up right now showing you the overall results. Alright, we're going to talk about my data chart here, and I know it's a little bit different than somebody bench testing because I do this in the real world. The design of it was really nice. I really like the design of it. It's got thick spokes, it's a unibell, and it's got nice grippy prop grips on it. The quality looks superior. They've got really tight coils. They've used silver um, coating on their wires and on their windings, and the top speed mile per hour was 119 miles per hour. That was just a punch. It wasn't like 119 miles an hour all the time. So you're safe to say that you'll stay around the 100 mile per hour mark without being, illegal or something like that. That was just for a brief second. So the torque is really torquey, very punchy. The efficiency is there. We got 4 minutes of hard freestyle. Durability, I gave it a half on the durability because I did have one motor go out, but that was after multiple crashes. It took some hard crashes, but I've took hard crashes with a lot of motors and not had one go out. But seeing that, I've had multiple crashes with it and it could just be my fault, I am going to give it a half a point uh, to say, maybe they can improve the coating on it a little bit better to make it better, but it could have been my fault also. Responsiveness. This thing is very nice and responsive. I feel locked in. Uh, and the weight of it is 34 grams. You can't complain about that. And the cost is $21. So if you do have a motor go out, it ain't going to cost you that much to get another one. And tunability, I think tunability, if you got a high kV motor, you must lower that D term. You lower that D term from keeping heat getting to the motors, which plays in effect of all of these categories. So, tunability, we are going to give it a check mark because if you got a high kV motor, you need to lower that D term. Alright guys, so I am going to give this score a 9.5. And I say this as a testament of running their motors before. I still have two sets of their motors that are still going, and I really believe that ZTinnovate are innovative of their products, and so this is my honest review of them. I got something exciting going on, so you're going to see a lot more reviews coming out because I am now working for 533. Alright guys, be sure to check us out. We've got some more coming on the way. See ya.